Since you're the future YouTuber, you need a good practice. 남자 여자 만나니까 자꾸 자기 엉덩이 찍으라고 아까부터. Each something like that.
You can sit on it.
You're
I'll
carrying.
let you.
You're nice. 아, 근데 유럽 사람들이 멋있긴 하다. 둘이 있으니까. 백수가. To learn about and pleasure at school. That's what it says on ChatGPT. 여러분, 제가 태국에서 그 친구 만들기 앱 계속 쓰고 있잖아요. 그래서 여기 이제 섬에서도 써봤는데 섬 하루 종일 돌아다니기 이런 방이 있는 거예요. 그래서 그 이제 채팅방에 들어갔는데 이제 방에 있던 한 영국 누나가 알고 보니까 같은 숙소, 같은 호스텔에 묵고 있는 누나인 거예요. 그래서 야, 인연이다, 같이 놀자 해가지고 이제 다른 분들도 이제 오기로 했고. 자, 여러분, 말리부 비치 다시 왔습니다. 진짜 태국을 떠날 수가 없다. 진짜 와, 여기가 진짜 제가 제일 좋아하는 곳이고, 여기 그 앱에서 만난 친구들입니다. 오늘 그냥 정처 없이 떠돌아다니기로 했습니다. 그냥 지나가다 마음에 드는 거 있으면 들리고, 뭐 해변 보이면 그냥 잠깐 들리고, 뭐 이런 식으로. I never seen that at the hostel. It's crazy.
I don't get my ass out in the room.
Okay, okay. Can I just take a photo of like upper body if you don't mind?
Yeah.
What is it? Wow! You're like a Japanese yakuza. Oh, you didn't have to, but thank you very much. Just
Just like
flower power.
flowers and like a mandala. I had the middle bit first, and then I don't like.
Oh wait,
that
is
bit
video
anymore.
okay by the way?
Huh?
Video okay?
Oh yeah. I don't
Okay,
mind. Video my ass, but
Okay.
it's just flowers and.
Yeah, you do.
Yeah.
Yeah. How much did it cost?
I got it like separate times, so I don't even want to think about that.
I mean, for me, this hurt me so much. I was like, okay, I'm not gonna do it anymore.
Yeah.
Look at that.
This hurts on the ass. It hurts.
More hurting, right?
And
Okay.
these hurt.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
What is this? I love
It's just
tattoo.
flowers.
Uh,
And then
1, 2,
you
3.
can see it's faded.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I got
Wow.
that when I was 19.
My first tattoo is this,
Yeah.
and I thought it was so much.
You just said you did it.
I'm sorry.
You said you're doing it for YouTube when you started recording.
Oh,
So
I-
I was asking if you have a lot of subscribers.
Oh, I thought you said you have a lot of subscribers. Oh, 230,000 right now. Wow.
Well, and you video like your trips and
Travel, make friends on there, getting drunk. Oh, Vijay, that's really cute pants. That's really cute pants. Video okay?
Yeah, sure.
Cool, cool, cool.
Good for the chance. I know that I have to suck in the belly.
네, 그 독일에서 온 비조이 씨고요. 영국에서 온 카라 씨고, 포르투갈에서 온 티아고 형. 어디 갔어? 그 와중에 이 나무 왜 이렇게 멋있어요, 여러분? 게임에 나오는 나무 같지 않아요? But do you actually want to like be on a social media, Kara? I'm sorry?
I don't mind.
Really? What would you do? What would be the topic?
I'd probably do something travel as well, but
Travel.
I can't talk to the camera.
Sorry?
I can't talk to the camera. I just feel awkward.
Ah.
You don't really have to,
Voice
right?
it,
Yeah,
maybe,
exactly.
but I'd still feel so cringy.
Okay. So it's a perfect practice for you today. Yeah? Alright. Since you're the future YouTuber, you need a good practice of modeling.
Modeling.
Yes. Do you agree?
Maybe just talking to the camera.
Just tell me yes. Yes, you agree.
Yes.
Okay, so
It's forcing me to say things.
no, I never force women. I'm a gentleman of Korea. Can you help me with one thumbnail?
A thumbnail.
Yeah.
Sure. With
You know what it is?
Yeah.
Okay. What should we do?
Like stand in the water or something.
Shall we go that side? Perfect practice, and I'm offering you for free. Okay?
Free. Wow.
Mr. Cameraman.
Wait,
So-
kids.
Huh? Not kid?
No.
Okay, okay. Like people, beach, something like that.
And the volleyball, you can maybe like.
Ooh, volleyball도. Ah, okay, okay.
I don't know. I'm so bad.
We can sit like. Wait, can I see through this?
Uh-huh. Your idea. You're the director, please.
I'm not the director.
What do I do,
I was
ma'am?
just gonna sit in the water.
Should I come in closer?
Yeah. Oh wow, that's beautiful. Okay. Oh wow. Here's how cool. It's amazing. 아니, 유튜브가 꿈나무신데 아니 카드가 예뻐서 그냥 사진 하나 찍읍시다 했는데 누나가 갑자기 막 썸네일 막 이렇게 하면 좋을 것 같고 여기 바다가 보이면 좋을 것 같고 레온 빨리 와서 앉아봐 막 이러시고 진짜 타일랜드에서 만나는 사람들은 다 너무 좋아요. 진짜 이 형도 너무 좋고 야 바다 색깔 와 Oh, water is so warm now.
Oh yeah, sorry for that. Actually is.
Sorry about that.
Maybe I should right now.
Yeah?
While you're there, yeah.
I think it'll be the first in the history of YouTube the English woman is peeing in the ocean in Korean YouTube video.
Peeing now.
Okay, ready? Kara? Overnight?
Yeah.
Thanks to you. 20K?
Yeah.
Because of what?
Because wait, did you get my ass?
No, not yet actually. Can I? 아니 남자 여자가 만나니까 자꾸 자기 엉덩이 찍으라고 안 나오고. 형님 너무 웃긴다. 와.
They want
Ah, that's skinny
naked
deep.
swimming.
Never done it.
No.
No.
We did it in Langkawi. It's easy for men because you know if I have my top off, it's pretty obvious.
So how did you do it?
My top off. I did it.
Everything.
I did it. We'd been out drinking, and then we just did, we did it
sure.
at 3 a.m. Some people from the hostel.
Okay.
Oh, what am I stood on? That's disgusting. Sorry. We met some people.
Water passable?
Waterfalls, like in the Lake District. Me and my friend were just like.
Really? But there are like people walking.
Not really, because it's like down in the valley, so no one was there.
Oh, when you're actually getting the water, you pervert English woman. You got naked in public. Wanna try?
Try what?
Skinny dipping?
Now?
Yeah.
I mean, nobody will see, so.
Okay.
See anyway, so.
I read somewhere that if you have no pants on in Thailand, it's illegal. So
Illegal.
like walking around the street.
나가다 그냥 암으로 칼 빌렸고요.
아니야.
King, how old are you?
저 아이들이 온 줄 알았어요. 애들이 막 두 명이서 되는 거야 갑자기. 아, it's a politician. I don't know.
아, 약간 뭐 유세 그거 하시나 보다. 저거 선거 뭐 이런 거 오지 않나요? 아, 요분이 저분인 것 같은데.
We're not sure he's idol or
Should I go and shake hands?
Yeah, you should.
Right now? Wow, that's so awkward, but I'll do that.
That way? It's filming that way, right?
Yo, this guy is so nervous. His hand is so wet. He's very nervous, yeah. And when I shook hands with him, he said something I didn't understand. So I was like, because I didn't want them to know that I'm Korean, right? Because I didn't want to bother them. Something like that. 와, 네 티아고 형님이 사진.
And I love that tree growing there in the rock.
Three girls naked?
The roots? No,
Ah,
not the naked.
okay.
Sorry to disappoint.
Hey,
But if you want,
look at the sun, guys. Look at Kara, guys.
You can sit on here.
Oh, you're
I'll
very,
let you.
very nice. Englishman is nice. English woman is nice.
Englishman, wow.
Well, nowadays never knows.
That's true, especially in Thailand.
What's your
Alright.
Maybe it has to be a naked beach to find out.
Okay. 아, 좋다. 얼마만에 힐링인가. 여러분. 좋지 않습니까? 친구들이랑 같이 여행하는 게 제일 재밌는 것 같아요. 진짜. 사람은 결국 사람이다. Whole thing? It's not gonna bite? 무서운데?
You got rabies vaccine?
No, sir?
You got a rabies vaccine?
Yeah, no.
No.
Me neither, but I don't care.
Too late. 아니 근데 저기 사람들 쓰레기통 왜 저렇게 놓는 거야? 예. 낭만. 태양을 향해 걸어가는 남자의 낭만. 열심히 오는 카라 누나죠. 심장이 웅장해진다. 모험가가 된 느낌인데요, 여러분. 너무 예뻐서. 야, 너무 새해 복 많이 받으세요 느낌인데. 야, 아니 유럽 사람들이 멋있긴 하다. 둘이 있으니까 되게 외국 같다. 누나가 엄청 좋아하더라고요, 배를. 와, 좋다. Tiago, what do you want in your life?
Good waves.
Good waves.
Good sunset.
Kara. Wait, what was the question? What do you want in your life?
Yeah, happiness and good luck.
That's
And you?
me. Blonde Russian girlfriend. What man do you like?
Men?
Me, Russian.
You like Russian men?
하드맨 마켓. 와, 뭐야 이거. 와, 약간 미치클럽 같기도 하고. 야, 이런 분이 처음이에요. 백두가 주먹이 요만한데 실제 치킨? 태국식에. Wait, so in the UK, people learn about sex and pleasure at school. That's what it says on ChatGPT.
That was out of nowhere.
Anything fun from I'm with English woman right now. Yeah, and then that's what he said.
Okay.
But what does it mean that they learn about pleasure at school?
It's like pleasure. It's more like just sex education.
So what do you guys do in England?
You learn how to put a condom on.
How to what?
You should be doing it. Consent.
Is there 이거 채찍띠가 하는 건데? Is there pressure for girls to lose virginity early in the UK?
I think people have sex young in the UK. Like 13, maybe 13, 14, 15.
Is it one night stand considered normal or judged in the UK? Huh?
Normal.
Normal.
Oh, it's normal.
Yeah.
Okay, well,
In the club at midnight, everyone find a couple.
like every single one in the club is looking for the partner.
Is that not normal? In Korea, that's not normal.
We do, but we don't talk about it. I think it's better to be more open, but I don't think it is right now.
Life in a different way.
Uh-huh.
I'm teaching a new lifestyle. Wave intention doesn't match. So first, to catch the waves, you need to match the connection of your bodies. You need to look around, the seagulls fly, the waves. When you match your energy, and you feel much more. When you
So you don't fight against some outer things like environment. You just put yourself there in a good rhythm.
You match the connection of the
And that's why it's your lifestyle. Oh, that's amazing.
They forget sometimes just to stop. Sometimes people Always drive to the beach.
좀 달라 보인다 형. 멋있어 보인다.
Beautiful surroundings on the wall. So much Arabic influence as well.
This band stopped Cloudy Girls.
When I was living in a van, an old van,
You live in a band?
a van. When I was
Wow.
teaching surf and stroke, and we're living in a van,
Uh-huh.
you don't even need to say your name.
Because you have a van.
Because it's the whole dream. They all dream living in a van.
Ah, so it's so easy to invite the girl to the van.
Yeah.
Your customers.
Yeah.
아, 형 전사네. Make you join right now? 아, 형 전사네 진짜. 와, you have a funny life, man.